Today we're taking a look at a product that this company was nice enough to send me in exchange for an honest review, so let's get into some of the features. Packaging, really well done. It comes to you in a plastic tray and then also in a plastic sleeve with a little piece of foam inside just to make sure that it gets to you intact. Once you get it opened up, you can see this case. It's the clear case for the 14 Pro Max. It does have MagSafe compatibility. It's really strong magnets here on the back, which will keep your phone still connected to all the great MagSafe accessories, whether it's mounts or chargers, anything like that will do. We use ours in the car, and I also use it on our nightstand, so that was really important for me. It's still flexible, but also very shatter resistant. Also, the sides have some rubber to them, which makes it easy to hold on to during use, but also is still stiff enough where it's going to be a great case. You can see it's got the bottom for all of your plug-in accessories and then your mic, speakers, things like that. It is raised here to allow it to protect your camera lenses on there as well. It also does have all the buttons on the side for the volume and your sleep button. To put your phone into there is very quick and easy. It just pops in and it kind of wraps around your phone to keep it encased, and has a great fit. You can see the phone doesn't move around in there, and like I said before, this raised des here keeps your camera lenses safe and keep them from getting scratched during use. I really like that it's clear. It does a really good job of protecting my phone during use. Hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.